Hey everyone, this is Horam Naik, and I'm here to show you a simple CRM you can use to keep track of relationships you're making in law. So let's get right into it. So this is a table that I've made in Airtable, and let's talk about some of the features. So you've got first name and last name. You can sort by first name if you're thinking of a Dave, but you can't remember who, and then you can sort other fields likewise. Some things are pretty self-explanatory, so I won't get into it. What's nice about this is that you have the ability to add calendar dates, and so you can put in last contact and next contact and view those in the calendar field to see conversations you've had or upcoming. And I break out I have a separate field for last discussed and a separate one for next steps to distinguish the conversation you've had in the past and where you're going from there, and you can rework that as you see fit, whatever works for you. But crucially, this is the juice of the CRM, where you're able to keep track of when was the last time you spoke to someone and when's the next time you want to speak with them, and whatever that cadence is, that's something that suits you and it's just specific to you and the people that you're talking to. How you figure that out, we can have a separate conversation about that. This is more the tool that implements whatever kind of system you're using. I also have a column for connected by. That's so that you can keep track of the people that are connecting you to other people, and these are super connector kind of people I think of, and those are the people I tend to come back to again and again for more ideas, more connections, so you can reflect on who are the people or the organizations that have really meant the most to you and really invest more in those relationships. And then I have some other components that are pretty new for myself, that you may find interesting to play with. So something like personality is a way that I'm now starting to think about people and trying to get to know people and think of them in this way. I think this is helpful for, especially when you meet someone new, to really just think to yourself, okay, what sort of person do I think I'm talking to, and how does it mean how I'll relate to them and connect with them? And relatedly, you have things like interests. So if there's something tangible, like, well, this person talked a bunch about beer or cats, then you can follow up with that. If you run into a new beer or something like that and you thought of this person, then you can introduce them. So this is the tool. I want to keep it simple and short. There's much more you can play around with, but hopefully this is helpful to you with growing relationships, and looking forward to hearing about what you do with it.